Hello, hello! This is Maria Lillepruun, and today I have received my new DT box from I've even moved to my kitchen to show you all the new goodies because I wanted to lay out them all on the table at once. There are so many, as always. Red Clock is a very generous brand. So this is Ponchik. He came to assist me. So let's start from from the newest products. I would like to show you the whole collection by Karolina Bukowska, and the collection is called A Twinkle of Sunrise. So let's just look through it. As most of the graphical collections, it consists of the 30 per 30 or 12 per 12 inch paper pad with the very beautiful watercolor-like designs by Karolina, and also there is a 20 per 20 and a 15 per 15 pad, and they are of different density. The biggest one and the smallest one is 250 grams, and the middle one is 190 grams. Also, the collection has the beautiful sheet of colored chipboard coming with it. And this is the new edition, the junk journal set. It contains different cards and tags and kind of assisting materials for those who create junk journals and notepads and everything like that. And also there are beautiful rice papers. I just love rice papers by Craft O'Clock. They are very inspiring all the time for me. And also there is a tracing paper set. Let's probably just open this one, because I already see a very beautiful ornament in here. Wow, this is awesome. Very beautiful, very elegant. And also like these and like these. Okay, there's tracing paper for this collection and also for the next one. Very nice. Another new collection by Craft O'Clock is called Time of Reflection. Sorry, let's just move over here. And this one is by Katarzyna, and this is absolutely beautiful. This is very romantic, very calming, beige and pink and everything like that. And I already know that I want to make an album out of this. Just as the previous one, it also has, besides the big pad, it also has a middle size and a small size pad. And a junk journal set. And of course the rice papers. Look at these. Wow. And of course the chipboard. Also, these two collections have covers coming with them. The cover pages are like these, and they are also very different. The first one is, for the first collection, it's very bright and cheerful and blooming, and the other one is elegant and silent and oh, very beautiful, just very beautiful. I also received some of the previous collections. My beloved ones, Hazy Street, the green one Ponchik is sitting on, and the brown one called Fleeting Moments. This one, remember this one? Also in beige and brown colors, very beautiful one. And besides all the papers and the chipboard, it now also has the junk journal set, which I didn't have before. It's something I can totally use in my creations. And the same thing for the Hazy Street. They also have this junk journal set, which I just today received, and it's practical. It's something we really can use when creating our albums and notebooks. And also, Craft O'Clock has released 2 Christmas collections. Let's just see them also. And the first one is called Frosty Sparking, sorry. And this is all very tender and pink and blue and something like really, well, truly frosty. And also it's kind of cartoonish. The pictures are very cute, so it will suit for all the Christmas and the kids' projects also. There's also a junk journal set, a big pad, a middle pad, and a small one. And also there is a cover, a blue cover, like this, with bokeh effect, which can probably be a cover of an album. And the second collection is more traditional, and it's on green and brown and red colors, traditional but vintage. And this is called this Miracle Night. You can see the music sheets in here. This music sheet pattern is very popular for craftable papers. Different collections contain this kind of pattern. And of course Santa Claus and carol singers and stripes and everything you can expect from the proper Christmas collection. There's also a small pad, a small but really thick pad. There are many papers inside, and a 20x20 pad, and a junk journal set, and of course the cover. The cover is really interesting. Just check it out. It's the wood pattern, but it's going red on the sides, and that's very original, I think. I will definitely have to do something with it. Also, I've received several sheets with extras to cut. Let me show you these as well, because they are very beautiful. Catalog has a lot of these kind of very thick sheets for you to cut out the elements, and they are practical for very, very many projects. For example, check out these butterflies, monochromatic, very beautiful butterflies. Also, okay, flowers. This is for the Twinkle of the Sunrise collection, and this one is also the same, but in black and white. Okay, and this is for the new collection, for the Reflection collection. Really beautiful magnolias and birds in here. And the extras to cut for Christmas, for Frosty Sparking, very cute ones. Check the sparrows, and of course the gingerbread decor and the cute cards. Another sheet of poinsettias, and the Miracle Night collection extras to cut. And some older, some vintage extras. The keys, always practical. I've used several ones already. And the frames, of course. You cannot go anywhere without frames. They are also very multifunctional. The gears, of course, for those who love steampunk or make masculine projects. The birds, dragonflies, and other insects. And what else? Okay, the clocks. And more clocks. Wow, these are shabby clocks. Cute ones. And the final thing, which also I had in my parcel. This is this. Let me show you the vintage photo set. I already have a one vintage photo set, number 1. This is number 2. I guess it's a new one. Let's open. Here are some beautiful vintage portraits of the ladies and the kids and the couples, and the gentleman, and some family pictures, pretty beautiful ones. Thank you for your attention. Thanks to Craft the Clock for a generous parcel as always, and make sure to check out the Scrapbook Clock page on Facebook, because they have the presentation of the new collections there, the video with all the products shown by the designers, by the authors. So I didn't open all the packages today for you, but I'm sure you can find their explanations very interesting. And see you soon. I will now start working with all this generous amount of products. Already very inspired. So let's see what I will make, and if you make something from craft the clock papers and products as well, make sure to share with us on Facebook. There are several groups like Craft the Clock Inspiratie and Craft the Clock Mixed Media Inspiratie. We love to see your creations. Thank you and bye bye!